Hello, tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick start with CATIA. We're going to create the first 2D sketch and 3D sketch and use the mouse and manipulate your part. So first, go to Start, Mechanical Design, as we know in the workbenches from the previous tutorial, and Part Design. This is the first workbench for beginners or for the starting of sketching, and here you can give it a name, first part. Okay, and now we are in this workbench, and you can notice the tool set here, which are for the part design tools. So now we have the interface. We already changed the background color. You can do it from tools, options, and here from display and visualization. You can change the color you want. Okay, so now we have this color. If you notice on the part interface, you have the part tree, first part, and you have 3 different planes where you can start your sketch. To start your sketch, choose the plane you want or hover over it here and click sketch. So now we are in the sketch menu. I'm going to simply draw a very quick rectangle in the later tutorial and to give you a detailed explanation about the tools here. But now let's make this rectangle. When you are finished, you can exit workbench from here. And now let's extrude it. It's called pad in CATIA, and just simply press OK. And now I'm going to show you how to use the mouse. You have 3 main buttons in your mouse: right click, the middle wheel, and right click. To zoom in and out, click on the middle wheel and right click once. You have this arrow showing, and then you can move your mouse up and down so you can zoom in and out. To rotate, just keep clicking on middle wheel of the mouse and keep clicking on the right click so you can be able to rotate your part. And to move your part, just click on your part and the middle wheel, keep holding it, then you can rotate move your part. Even you have another set to manipulate your part from the compass here on the top. If you choose this face, so you can move your part on that face direction. If you choose this face or this edge, circle edge, so you can rotate your part in that direction. If you choose that, you can rotate in that direction. Here you can rotate your whole part. If you choose this edge, and so on. This is a very helpful tool, the compass. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and thanks for watching.